Hello, everyone. Welcome to Sir Josh Knowledge Nook, your learning corner. And for today's discussion, we are going to tackle about what is social studies. It's important for us to learn the nature and the definition of what really social studies is. It's because a lot of people tend to have this misconception of social studies as history. And some people also freely interchange social studies with social sciences because they are really different from each other, although they have these concepts being the same, but we're going to talk about that later on. But before we proceed on discussing this topic, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. So first, let's discuss what is the definition of social studies. In the year 1992, the board of the National Council for Social Studies, the only organization created in US for social studies educator and curricularist, so they have adapted this definition as an integrated study of the social sciences and humanities to promote civic competence. So from this definition, we can say that social studies is integrative in nature. Talk about integrative, it integrates various disciplines because as social studies uses social sciences and humanities. So in discussing or if we're going to learn social studies, it encompasses various disciplines such as history, geography, political science, economics, sociology, anthropology, and psychology. Now, talk about social studies, it's all about understanding how human societies function, evolve, and interact by using these different or various disciplines of social sciences and humanities. Now, for what purpose? No, that is to promote civic competence. That is to the aim of social studies, to equip our students or individuals with knowledge, skills, and different perspective that is necessary for them to be informed and active citizens. So that is the definition of social studies in the year 1992. Now, as time evolves, also the definition of social studies, because CSS last November 8, 2023 also has created an approved definition of social studies. So from this definition, social studies is the study of individuals, communities, systems, and their interactions across time and place. It prepares students for local, national, and global civic life. Now, if you're really going to analyze this definition, wala namang pagkakaiba. No, it's just that in this 2023 definition, it was a more detailed discussion of the definition of social studies. Kasi wala namang nag-iba na it's about studying how people interact, evolve with the society. But here in the 2023 definition, it was clearly discussed that by studying interactions between individuals, communities, and systems, students will gain valuable insights into how historical events, different cultural practices, economic policies, and political decisions shape our world. So, as you can see, there is still the integrative nature of social studies, wherein it still uses different or various disciplines in social sciences and humanities. Now, this knowledge essential for fostering informed and engaged citizens who can navigate and contribute now to their local, national, and global civic life. So now let's proceed on differentiating social studies with social sciences. Kasi marami din talaga nasasabi na talk about social studies and social science, they are just similar because probably of the word social, pero magkakaiba po talaga sila. So as you can see in this definition, talk about social sciences, these are branches of study that analyze society and the social interactions of people within a society. So ang nature talaga the social sciences is to analyze ng society and the interactions of people within a society. Meanwhile, si social studies naman, it is a systematic study of an integrated body of content drawn from the social sciences and humanities. So ano naman ang nature ng social studies? So it is a systematic study of an integrated body content drawn from the social sciences and humanities. So yung focus, no, ni social sciences is that they try to explain the different interaction of people using individual disciplines, using individual branches of social sciences. Meanwhile, ang focus naman ni social studies ay kino-combine niya ang content, no, from various social science disciplines such as history, geography, anthropology, no, political science, at ng humanities, na for example, ng philosophy, ng literature, no, para makaprovide ng comprehensive understanding of human society. At meron din tayo ditong mas um, detailed na differences between the two. Now, when we talk about social science, it is divided into many branches. So, yun nga yung mga branches na nasabi ko kanina. For example, anthropology, economics, demography, psychology, sociology, history, no? So, yun. Political sciences, no? Meanwhile, si social studies naman, it is divided into two main categories because again nga, it is the integrated study of humanities and social sciences. So meaning, aside from social sciences na mga disciplines, it also uses mga humanities na mga subjects like such as, for example, literature, yung mga ganun, arts. Okay? Then we also have the social sciences is usually taught under higher studies curriculum. Meanwhile, social studies is frequently taught to elementary and secondary school. So, ito yung pakakaiba ng dalawa. Because social studies is part of the primary or elementary and secondary curriculum. Meanwhile, the social sciences are usually is usually taught, no, sa mga higher education ng mga curriculum such as in college. Next, we also have social science is the science of the society, wherein it is the in-depth knowledge and systematic study of each branch of social transaction. Meanwhile, si social studies naman are subjects more frequently taught to school, to students to help them understand how to be effective citizens of society. So, parang pabalik-balik na yung thought, no, na yung goal dito kasi si social science again is to really understand how people interact within its society or with their environment. So ito yung focus sa social sciences. Meanwhile, si social studies naman, mas focus niya talaga on how are we going to inform our students regarding human society and how are we going to train them to become effective citizens of the society. Next is we have social science is utilized gathering of data and analysis of data. And the social studies is wherein students develop and apply skills as they investigate society, explore issues, make decisions, and work cooperatively with others. So ito yung makakaiba ng dalawa because social science is like science in nature talaga siya because it's more on researches. Meanwhile, si social studies is how are we going to teach our students to be effective citizens through the but through these processes, no? Wherein we're going to investigate the society, explore what are the issues present in that society, and use this learning from various disciplines in humanities and social sciences para maka-create ng decisions. So as you can see, may iba din talaga, the way social science and social studies do have this what I mean is iba yung approach nila in learning. Then, okay, so that's it, about social studies and social sciences. So I hope that was clear. No? Now let's proceed on debunking the idea that social studies is history because probably it's not. Okay, so I hope that after this no, few slides, no, para ma-clear natin yung idea na hindi lang history si social studies. So talk about history, it it focuses on the past. So meaning, pag tinawag nating history lang, yun yung ay parang yun lang yung pinag-aaralan natin, yung ano yung mga nangyari nung nakaraan at kung ano yung mga leksyon na makukuha natin doon sa mga past events. Meanwhile, sa social studies, it is a more broad interdisciplinary field that encompasses history and other subjects. So from this statement, no, we can infer that history is just part of social studies. It's just part because again, it also discusses other subject, not just history. Okay. Therefore, from that first, differentiation alone, we can say that social studies is not history, but history is just part of social studies. So another pagkakaiba is that in history, it's narrower in scope, no, where it only focus on specific events, peoples, and periods. Meanwhile, the social studies is wider in scope because it uses, again, various disciplines. It encompasses different branches of social science and humanities. Then, last, no, na pagkakaiba is si history, it often emphasizes narrative, storytelling, and the interpretation of historical documents. Meanwhile, social studies naman is it really emphasizes on critical thinking, not just focusing on the narrative, the storytelling, but more on how do we critically analyze, no, and understand these different social and cultural phenomena. So I hope that's clear to you, no, na using these in this lesson, na iba talaga, no, na iba si social studies at social science at iba din si social studies at history. So I hope that you learned something from our video. So, and if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, Sir Josh Knowledge Nokia Learning Corner. And if may iba pa kayong topics na masasuggest for us to discuss, please don't forget to um, leave a comment down below para ma-arrange natin kung ano yung mga gusto niyong topics na pwede nating ma-discuss sa ating channel. So that's it for today. God bless and bye bye.